Guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a deer, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Hello, friends, all animal and very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, very amazing, very beautiful animal. Wow, friends, all animals. So let's put them all in our basket. Wow, friends, this is a basket, very beautiful basket. Wow, friends, these are all full of mud, but we will wash them. Wow, friends, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Ho ho, friends, all animal full mud. Wow, friends, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow, guys, wow, guys, very beautiful. Ho ho, friends, wow, friends, wow, guys, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Oh, friends, all animal, full mud, friends. Wow, friends, very beautiful animal, friends, all animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. So, all friends, come quickly. Very amazing, very beautiful animal. Wow. Wow, friends, very clean water. Oh my god, friends, all twice. So, let's wash them and see which animal they are. Wow, friends, very clean. This is a zebra, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Oh, oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a horse, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Amazing animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a tiger, very dangerous. First animal, very amazing animal. Oh, oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a giraffe, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a leopard, very beautiful animal, very dangerous animal. Oh, oh, friends, all animal full mud. What is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a lion, very dangerous. Animal, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, friends, very clean. This is a hippopotamus, very
Nakaa wetu wetu, sio jamaa alisema zilivika hapa kwa tuju, inabidi nichimbika. Unajua mbeleni hapo ingepita ilikuwa ni cliff.
very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Hey, hey, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a dog. Very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Oh, oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, Oh, friends, very clean. This is a train, very beautiful train, very amazing train. Oh, oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is an elephant, very beautiful.
Kuna watu wanaitwanga locust. Kuna watu wanaitwa locust.
Zimekosa kama hata sasa hivi ziko hapa na zingine zinaingia kwa kichaka. Gani nyingine?
Yeah.
Ukipita 24 ukienda Sarova.
Beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, friends, very clean. This is a cow. This is a domestic animal, very beautiful animal. Oh, oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a giraffe. Giraffe, very beautiful animal, very amazing giraffe. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a duck. Very beautiful duck, very amazing duck. Hey, hey, friends, full mud. What is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a cook's very beautiful cooks, very amazing cooks. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a rhinoceros, very beautiful. Beautiful rhinoceros, very amazing rhinoceros. Wow, guys, what is this, guys? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is a sheep, very beautiful animal, very beautiful. This is a domestic animal. Oh, oh, friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, friends, very clean. This is an antelope, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal, friends, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal, friends. Today we seem to have got some good animal, very beautiful animal, very amazing animal. Wow, friends, very beautiful.